everyone. I want you to just do something for me. I want you to close your eyes and think about the problem. The one thing that keeps you up at night, the one thing that makes you anxious, the one thing which you wish you could change. Tell me, if you woke up in the morning and this problem had been completely solved and was a thing of the past, what would your life be like? And if I said to you, I have a hypnotic solution to get you the answers you seek, would you be interested? Fantastic. Please click on the link in the description below this video to learn more about my online group hypnosis events, which can make lifelong lasting changes for you. I am super excited to have created these for you, and thank you so much. I look forward to you joining us to make this an amazing new 2022.